What's up, guys? I just want to show off a quick painting that I did. It's not really a painting. I used oil pastel. I just call that painting, whatever. I did this at my cousin's house because I was bored. I called it Flower Fields and then drew a flower. Did it February 21st to 22nd. Yeah, I took 2 days to do it. I take my time, baby. And then I signed it. So here's a little detail. I really wanted to focus on doing gradients and smearing, so I did it with the sun and the sky. Originally the sky was going to be a blue, but I realized I used too much blue in the already because the river, so I was like, I really like pink, so I want to use pink. So I used a lot of pink in the sky because 3 days prior to this picture there's a pink sky, so that's why I made it. Overall, super dope picture. I'm a great artist. Next Picasso, next Mozart. And thanks for watching the video. Peace.